In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a VAT return on Xero. Before you can confidently run a VAT return, you need to make sure your VAT rates are set up correctly in Xero. That way, every invoice, bill, and bank transaction you code will flow into the right VAT boxes automatically. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a manual tax rate in Xero, which is especially helpful if you need a custom VAT rate or a clearly labeled option for specific supplies. From your Xero dashboard, start by opening the tax area in the main navigation. This takes you to the hub where all VAT related settings live and ensures you're working in the right place for returns and rates. Next, head into tax settings. This is where your organization's VAT options are managed. Keeping this area tidy and accurate is essential because any changes here can affect how VAT is calculated across your books. Within tax settings, choose manual tax rates. Manual rates give you control to create a custom VAT option beyond the defaults. This can be useful for things like reduced rates, exempt supplies, or special scenarios your business encounters. Click New Tax Rate to create one. You'll see a form where you define how this rate will appear and behave in Xero. Taking the moment to set this up carefully will save you time when you're coding transactions later. Enter a clear tax rate display name. Make it descriptive and unambiguous so you and your team always pick the right one. For example, use names like VAT 20% sales, VAT 5% reduced, or VAT exempt purchases if that reflects your needs. Consistent naming helps prevent mispostings and keeps your return accurate. Now, enter the rate itself as a percentage. Type the numeric value only. Xero will handle the percent symbol. Double check that the percentage matches your jurisdiction's rules for the type of transaction this rate will cover. Accuracy here is critical because it determines how much VAT is calculated on each item. When you're happy with the name and percentage, click Save. Your new manual VAT rate is now available when you create invoices, bills, and adjustments. From this point on, any transactions coded with this rate will feed into your VAT return calculations in Xero. A quick tip: if you introduce a new rate mid-period, review transactions in that period to ensure the correct rate has been applied consistently. Also, avoid renaming rates in a way that causes confusion later. Clarity is key when reconciling and preparing your return. With your manual VAT rate set, you're ready to use it across your entries, helping your VAT return reflect the right numbers at the end of the reporting period.